Let me take you back to a quiet hilltop in Manchester where the breeze carries the scent of ripe tangerines and childhood memories come alive with every step. My grandmother once called Maidstone home, so some weekends and definitely on holidays we'd pack up and journey here with our grandparents. The winding roads, the fresh air and the warmth of family gatherings made every trip special. This is Alexia and this is Jamaica in 10, and in this video we'll be talking about Maidstone, one of the first free villages in Jamaica. The air felt different this time, heavy with memories and silence where laughter once filled spaces. It's a bit heart-wrenching to come now, especially since my grandmother was called home just a year ago. The place doesn't feel the same without her, but I'm proud and grateful to be a descendant of such great people who built this community with faith and resilience. And as Jamaica celebrates Emancipation, the powerful merging of emancipation and independence, it's only fitting to spotlight Maidstone, one of the very first free villages in Jamaica. Maidstone's story is a testament to the courage and determination of freed men and women who refused to be defined by slavery's past. They claimed their freedom, their land, and their future. Originally called Nazareth, Maidstone began as a 341-acre coffee plantation where enslaved Africans labored under harsh conditions. After the abolition of slavery in 1838, the Moravian Church purchased this land with a vision to create a free village where those who were formerly enslaved could own land, build homes, and cultivate crops. This act of land rehabilitation was revolutionary and definitely life-changing. The village quickly grew as families laid down roots, building simple but sturdy homes from the earth and timber around them. Life was hard, but it was their own. Farming, coffee cultivation became the economic backbone. Maidstone hillside soon flourished with small pots, tended carefully by hands determined to carve out a future full of promise. At the heart of this community is the Nazareth Moravian Church, perched on a gentle slope overlooking the village. This church is more than a building. It is the spiritual anchor for Maidstone's people. Originally constructed in the nearby Adams Valley, the church was dismantled and reassembled stone by stone in its present location in 1890. This symbolizes perseverance and faith for the community. Generations have gathered there for worship, weddings, and funerals. The church was recognized in 1987 by the Jamaica National Heritage Trust for its architectural beauty and cultural importance. Walking through its wooden pews, you can almost hear the hymns of ancestors whose prayers built the foundation of this village. Nearby is Nazareth Primary School, formerly Nazareth All Age, where children from Maidstone and surrounding areas came to learn. Many walked miles, sometimes barefoot, carrying their lunch and books, fueled by the hope that education would unlock opportunities beyond the hills. Inside the school is a special treasure, a heritage museum opened in 2015. The museum carefully preserves the artifacts that tell the village's history, from branding irons and whipsaws used during slavery to everyday tools of the early settlers who brought their land after emancipation. There's a memorial plaque honoring those pioneer families whose names still echo in Maidstone today. Visiting the museum is a humbling experience. It connects the past to the present, reminding us that freedom was fought for and earned by those who came before us. Their legacy is alive in every tree, every path, and in every home. Each year, Maidstone bursts with energy during the 1st of August events held on the 1st of August on Emancipation Day. This vibrant festival brings together locals and visitors for a rich celebration of culture, history, and community. 1st of August raises funds to support community projects, ensuring Maidstone continues to grow and thrive. The event is a reminder that freedom is a journey, not a destination, and that community is strength. For me, Maidstone is more than a name on a map. It's the warmth of Aunt Janet's cooking and the sound of Uncle Brown's voice telling stories beside the outside kitchen. It's the sweet aroma of ripe tangerines packed in the trunk as we prepare to leave. These memories shaped who I am and connect me to a larger story. Maidstone represents the strength, hope, and faith passed down through generations. It's a reminder of what can be achieved when people come together with vision and with courage. This is Maidstone, Manchester, a cornerstone of Jamaicans' post-emancipation history and a beacon of resilience. Thank you for joining me on this journey. This has been another episode of Jamaica in 10, sharing the stories that make our island rich and vibrant. I hope you learned something today, because I certainly did. And please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more stories from the heart of Jamaica. Until next time, walk good, stay curious, and let's love each other.